With state lawmakers considering a bill that would ban abortions after a fetal heartbeat is found, we wanted to know what Governor McMaster would. We wanted to know whether or not Governor McMaster would support this bill. News 19's Jacob Reynolds joins us with that answer.
The South Carolina Fetal Heartbeat Protection from Abortion Act is waiting to be debated on the South Carolina House floor. The bill, which would ban abortions after a heartbeat is detected, was approved out of committee. At a health care conference, Governor Henry McMaster said he'd support it.
As you know, I'm pro-life. This is a pro-life state. I'll be happy to sign any pro-life bill that comes to my desk.
A similar version of the bill passed in Georgia last week and awaits the governor's signature. In response, film and television employees working in Georgia's growing industry protested the bill. Governor McMaster says he's not worried about it happening here. Are you worried at all about a potential business fallout like you've seen threatened in Georgia?
No, sir.
If it passed, it wouldn't be the first bill in South Carolina to garner controversy. This week, the California Attorney General banned state-funded travel to South Carolina over funding procedures that he called discriminatory against LGBT families trying to adopt. In Columbia, Jacob Reynolds, News 19 WLTX.